As man evolved through time, music in its purest form changed as it became more digitalized. Mankind soon lost the essence, the core of that natural sound that has been used for ages. In this documentary Sounds Untamed, we will take you on an odyssey to show you the ferocious power of the human voice when it meets natural instruments.
I'm from the group called Siabuya Marimba Band, which is based here in Cape Town. We are a group of about 7 piece. We have a drummist, a saxophone player, and the 3 marimba bands, 3 marimba instruments, and our lead vocalist who sings marimba and opera, something unique compared to other marimba bands. We've been together for almost 25 years together as a group. Our residential place where we perform at is at V&A Waterfront, a vibrant place to be at. Lots of tourists, lots of opportunities, and that is how we make our living. And of course we do a bit of training at community centers. And some of us have been to the schools of music, the likes of UCT, some of us in other institutions of music, and some of us just generally we met together, and then we got into the marimba industry to make a living for ourselves. So that's our profession, basically. So that is how we've met. Some of us are in different groups, but Siabuya is our common group. And we help other marimba players who are unemployed, and then we employ them. We help each other out. So we have been traveling in Europe. We do local festivals, been in international festivals, thanks to the V&A Waterfront, where we get these opportunities. And of course we do our own marketing. We use the internet. We try and find who is the wedding planners out there, where the festivals are at. We do tours. So there's quite a lot that's happening in Siabuya Marimba Band. Most of our songs are inspired by experiences, our individual experiences, where we are staying at, communities which we are staying at, the struggles that have been faced by our communities, struggles we face personally, the pressures out there, messages that we like to get across, be it regarding crime, motivating one another through music as black people, empowering each other through music. And of course we do have the normal music that have been played everywhere in the world, in order for the people to see marimba not only as an African instrument, they say. We play marimbas also so that people can relate. Oh, I know that song. Oh, I know this song. I know that song. And then people always get amazed. How you guys do this? And it is therefore that we are essentially a group that plays also the opera and marimba. We do things differently. We play a bit of hip hop, reggae, jazz, gospel songs, play all this kind of songs that you might relate to in the industry. I can say that a message for South Africans, it doesn't matter what skill or talent you have, if you nurse it and nurture it. Some of us will not be doctors, some of us will not be lawyers, we will not all be mechanics, but some of us are gifted in music. It's just a matter of committing yourself and respecting that what God has given you, nurture it, not to waste your talent, especially to the young people. Some are in destitute situations, but when there is music, when there is an opportunity, anything that God has given you as a talent, respect it before He takes it away.
Having walked this path with us, we believe that we have come to the inevitable conclusion to show the spiritual power of the human voice and what kind of ferocity it can have when it meets natural instruments through the hands of an addict. Indeed, our sounds have been untamed, and when handled properly, it becomes unleashed in the most powerful.